Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. The topic of today's lecture is chemical reaction of substituted benzene. Outline of today's lecture include introduction to electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction of substituted benzene, benzene with electron donating substituent, and I will discuss specifically about the reactivity of substituted benzene as well as orientation of the electrophile. I will discuss about benzene reaction with electron withdrawing substituent, and at the end I will talk about electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction of substituted benzene having halogen substituent. Learning outcome. At the end of this lecture, every student will be able to describe various electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction of benzene to obtain biologically important molecule. Here one can see that various analgesic consist of substituted benzene. For example, here one can see the aspirin structure. It consists of a substituted benzene. Similarly, the paracetamol also consists of a substituted benzene, and the ibuprofen structure also consists of substituted benzene. Introduction to electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction of substituted benzene. So before starting the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction of substituted benzene, first just to let you know that what is electrophilic aromatic substitution. As I mentioned in the previous lecture, that electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction is an organic reaction in which an atom, usually hydrogen but not always, that is attached to an aromatic system, usually benzene, is replaced by an electrophile. So in the last lecture, I have mentioned various electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction of simple benzene molecule. This is simple benzene molecule. In this benzene molecule, all the carbon are same, and electrophile can be substituted with any one of the hydrogen atom present on any carbon of the benzene ring. So we obtain same product if it is substituted with this hydrogen atom or this hydrogen atom or this hydrogen atom. But when we take a substituted benzene molecule, this is a benzene molecule, when we substituted it with an electron donating group or electron withdrawing group, and when we add an electrophile, then this electrophile will either substitute this hydrogen or either this hydrogen or either this hydrogen, because these three hydrogen are different. This hydrogen and this hydrogen is similar, this hydrogen and this hydrogen is similar, and this hydrogen is different. And we name this hydrogen, if this hydrogen is substituted by the electrophile, then we obtain the product ortho-substituted benzene. When it is substituted by this hydrogen atom, this product is known as para substituted benzene. And when it is substituted at this position, then it is known as meta substituted benzene. So here in this structure, if X is a substituent and another substituent is substituted at its 2 position, then it is known as ortho position. If it is substituted at 3 position, then it is known as meta position. And if it's substituted at 4 position, then it's known as para position. So when we take a substituted benzene molecule and when we add an electrophile, then we obtain either ortho and para substituted product, or we obtain the meta substituted product. And these products depend upon the nature of this substituent. If this is an electron donating group, then we will obtain one types of product. And if it is an electron withdrawing group, then we will obtain another type of product. So in today's lecture, I will discuss in detail about the nature of this substituent and what will be the effect of this substituent on the reactivity of this electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, as well as the orientation, that whether the electrophile will orient at ortho or para position or at its meta position. So benzene with electron donating substituent. So if we take a simple benzene molecule and we do nitration, so we need nitric acid and sulfuric acid. In the first step, these two are combined to produce a good electrophile, nitronium ion, and then the benzene attack on nitronium ion to produce the nitrobenzene molecule. But when we take a substituted benzene, for example, substituted benzene having a substituent having capacity of electron donating capacity, and if we want to do the nitration, then we will obtain different types of product, two different types of product. Because in this case, if we see the resonance form of this substituted benzene, then the oxygen containing the lone pair of electron shift toward here. So this pi electron shift toward here. So it's mean in the next resonance form, the electron density is maximum at its ortho position and its para position, and again at its ortho position. So the electrophile, the nitric acid electrophile nitronium ion, can easily be substituted at its ortho position and its para position. So two types of products are formed in this case. When we take the substituted benzene molecule having electron donating group, and if we add an electrophile, then we obtain two types of product, 2-nitrophenol and 4-nitrophenol, because at 2 position the electron density is maximum, at 4 position the electron density is maximum. So this is the orientation, that if on benzene ring an electron donating group is present, we will obtain two types of product, ortho substituted product and para substituted product, because in this case the electron density is maximum at its ortho position and its para position, and it is clear from its resonance structure. Now what about the reactivity? So reactivity increase for this molecule, because this OH molecule give electron density to the benzene ring and activate this benzene ring for electrophilic substitution reaction. So this reaction is slower because it required nitric acid and sulfuric acid catalyst to first produce the nitronium ion. But in this case, in case of phenol, it provide the electron density to the ring and activate this ring for electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. So we do not need a catalyst sulfuric acid. We simply added the nitric acid. This is HNO3 nitric acid. And as this molecule is activated by this OH molecule, so it's react with this electrophile without the sulfuric acid catalyst and producing two types of product, 2-nitrophenol and 4-nitrophenol. So the effect of OH substituent on the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction is that the nitration of hydroxybenzene is much faster as compared to benzene, because the OH group activates the ring by donating electron density through resonance effect. And the second thing is that it directs the incoming electrophile to ortho and para position, because in this case the electron density on benzene ring is maximum at ortho position and para position. So all electron donating substituent on benzene ring, such as OH group, NH2 group, OCH3 group, methoxy group, or methyl group, etc., have increased the rate of reaction of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. And secondly, it direct orient the electrophile to ortho and para position. This is important to be remembered, that all the electron donating substituent, such as hydroxyl group, amine group, methoxy group, methyl group, or any other group which can donate electron density to the benzene ring, will increase the rate of reaction of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction by activating the benzene ring for electrophilic substitution reaction, and will direct or orient the electrophile to ortho and para position. So here are some other example. One can see over here that this is a methoxy substituted benzene molecule, and methoxy is also an electron donating group, because oxygen containing the lone pair of electron, it's donate electron density over here, and this pi electron shift over here. So at this position we obtain ortho substituted methoxy benzene, and this 4-nitrobenzene, methoxy substituted 4-nitro benzene. And similarly, one can see that amine is also an electron donating capacity, because nitrogen contains the lone pair of electron. So the alkylation also occur at its ortho position and its para position. Similarly, we can see that these two molecules have a resonance electron donating effect, because it's provide electron, it shift electron to resonance effect. And here we can see that this CH3 do not contain the lone pair of electron, but it activates the benzene ring through inductive effect, through bond effect. And therefore, it's also substituted at its ortho position and para position, because methyl is an electron donating capacity, and it activates the benzene ring by providing electron density through inductive effect. and orient the electrophile to ortho position and para position. Now, in these three cases, in case of methoxybenzene, aniline, and toluene, we obtain two types of product, ortho-substituted product and para-substituted product. But when we take this toluene molecule and react it with the acyl chloride, we obtain only one type of product in the presence of catalyst aluminum trichloride, and that is para-substituted product. And the reason is that due to the steric hindrance between at ortho position between the acyl group and methyl group, we obtain a minor product at ortho position, but the major product is the para-substituted product. So generally 90 to 95% of para-substituted product is formed. So therefore, we ignore the ortho-substituted product in this case. So we remember that the presence of electron donating group such as hydroxyl group, amine group, methoxy group, methyl group on benzene ring increase the rate of reaction by activating the ring for electrophilic substitution reaction and direct orient the electrophile to ortho and para position. So this point is very important, and we remember this point that the presence of electron donating group such as methoxy group, methyl group, amine group or hydroxyl group on benzene ring activate the benzene ring for electrophilic substitution reaction. So therefore, the rate of reaction of such substituted benzene ring are much faster as compared to simple benzene, and it orients the incoming electrophile to ortho and para position. Now we will discuss about the electron withdrawing substituent. So benzene electrophilic substitution reaction when it is substituted with an electron withdrawing substituent. So this is the simple benzene molecule, and nitration produce the nitrobenzene molecule. But if we take a benzene molecule having an electron withdrawing substituent, this is a nitro group, and this nitro group withdraw electron from this benzene molecule. So pull electron from the benzene molecule. And one can see the resonance structure of this molecule, that this nitro contains the nitrogen positive ion and the oxygen negative ion. So it can withdraw electron from the benzene ring. This pi electron will shift over here. So the positive charge exists over here. When it shifts over here, this pi electron shift toward the oxygen atom. So we obtain a positive charge on its ortho position. And when this electron pair shift toward here, then a positive charge produced on its para position. And again, when this pi electron shift over here, the positive charge exists over here. So if we want to add an electrophile, so it's not possible that this electrophile, it's also a positive charge species, should be, it will not be added to at ortho position and para position, because ortho position and para position is already electron deficient species that consists of a positive charge, and positive charge repel positive charge. So generally when we take this nitro substituted or electron withdrawing substituted benzene ring, then the electrophilic substitution reaction of is much slower as compared to the simple benzene molecule. And we obtain only one types of product, that we obtain only the meta-substituted dinitrobenzene molecule, because the ortho position and the para position is already electron deficient species, electron deficient carbon. So therefore, the nitronium ion and the electrophile couldn't be added to ortho and para position, and it orient only the coming electrophile to the meta position. So this is at position 1 and this is position 3. So therefore it is known as 1,3-dinitrobenzene molecule. So the effect of nitro substituent on the electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene is that the nitration of nitrobenzene is much slower as compared to benzene, because the nitro group deactivate the ring by withdrawing electron density through resonance effect. And the second thing, that it's direct the incoming electrophile to meta position, because ortho and para position is already electron deficient. So we remember that if benzene consists of a substituent such as nitro group, cyano group, any carbonyl group, aldehyde, ketone, ester, then there are two types of effect, that it will decrease the rate of reaction of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, and second, it direct orient the electrophile to meta position. So these points are very important. So we remember that if there is an electron withdrawing substituent on benzene ring, such as nitro group, cyano group, or any carbonyl group, aldehyde, ketone, or ester, then it will decrease the rate of reaction of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction by deactivating the benzene ring. And it will direct orient the electrophile to meta position. So here are some example. We can see this is a nitro group. It's withdraw electron from the benzene ring and deactivate this benzene ring. So the rate of reaction is much lower as compared to the benzene molecule. When we added this electrophile and in the presence of Lewis acid catalyst, then we obtain the meta substituted benzene molecule. Similarly, we can see that if we added this is the carbonyl group. This carbonyl group should be an aldehyde or a ketone. If R is a hydrogen, then it is an aldehyde. If it is an alkyl or aryl group, then it is a ketone. And this carbonyl group also withdraw electron through resonance effect from this benzene ring and deactivate the ring. So the rate of reaction is much lower as compared to the benzene molecule. When we add it to the alkyl halide, then we obtain the meta substituted benzene molecule. Here is the cyano group, and cyano group also withdraw electron through resonance effect from this benzene molecule. And when we do sulfonation of this molecule, then the electrophile is substituted at its meta position. And the cyano group withdraw electron through resonance effect, and one can see over here that this triple bond nitrogen is shipped toward the pi electron is shipped toward the nitrogen atom. So this carbon carrying positive charge. In the second resonance form, we can see that when this pi electron shift toward here, the positive charge exists at its ortho position, at its para position, and again at its ortho position. So the electrophile couldn't be added to ortho and para position because these positions are already electron deficient. So the electrophile is generally added to its meta position. So be remembered that the presence of electron withdrawing group such as nitro group, one can see over here, the cyano group or any carbonyl group, aldehyde, ketone or ester on benzene ring decrease the rate of reaction by deactivating the ring for electrophilic substitution reaction by withdrawing electron from the ring and direct orient the electrophile to meta position. So now we will discuss about the halogen substituent, that if a halogen substituent is attached to a benzene molecule, then what will be its effect on the reactivity of electrophilic substitution reaction as well as orientation. So one can see over here that if a halogen chlorine is substituted on benzene and we want to do nitration, then we add a catalyst sulfuric acid. So it's mean that the rate of reaction is slow as compared to the electron donating group, because electron donating group do not need a catalyst. So it's mean that the rate of reaction is slower as compared to the benzene molecule, and it activate the orient the electrophile to ortho and para position. So why this happened? It can be explained on the basis of its resonance form. One can see over here that this chlorine contain the lone pair of electron. So it shift over here. So the electron density exists on its ortho position and para position. So therefore, the electrophile substituted at its ortho position and para position. And now why the rate of reaction is slow? Because this chlorine have an electron donating resonance effect, but it's have an electron withdrawing inductive effect. It's withdraw electron because it's electronegative. So therefore it's deactivate the ring. So generally halogens substituent deactivate the ring, so the rate of reaction is slower, but it's orient the incoming electrophile to ortho and para position. One can see over here that if we want to the sulfonation, the same will happen, that the rate of reaction will be slow because it deactivate the ring, but it orient the electrophile to ortho and para position. Similarly, if we want to do alkylation of halogenated benzene, then we will obtain the alpha substituted minor product and the para substituted the major product. In all these cases, the alpha substituted product will be minor and the para substituted will be major product, because in this case, the steric hindrance, that's due to the steric hindrance, this product is a minor product and this product is major product. So be remembered that the presence of halogen groups such as chlorine or bromine on benzene ring decrease the rate of reaction by deactivating the ring due to electronegativity of halogen atom per electrophilic substitution reaction and direct the electrophile to ortho and para position. Why it direct electrophile to ortho and para position? Because it donates the electron density through resonance effect, and it decrease the rate of reaction because it withdraw electron from the benzene ring through inductive effect. So this is a chlorination of benzene. So this reaction will be fast, but if we take the chlorobenzene and we want to do chlorination, then this reaction will be slow and it will orient this chlorine electrophile to ortho and para position. So the conclusion of today's lecture is that if we take a benzene molecule having electron donating group such as NH2, methoxy group, alkyl group, hydroxyl group, this amide group, then it will increase the rate of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction and direct the incoming electrophile to ortho and para position. And if we take the halogen atom, then it is ortho and para directing, but it's deactivate the ring due to the greater electronegativity of halogen atom. And if there is an electron withdrawing substituent such as nitro group, carbonyl group, aldehyde group, ketone group, cyano group, then it will deactivate the ring, so the rate of reaction will be slower as compared to benzene, and it will direct the incoming electrophile to the meta position. So here I mentioned an example that if it is a benzene molecule and we want to nitration of this molecule, then its rate of reaction is 1. But if we substituted it with a hydroxyl group, then the rate of reaction is 1000 times faster as compared to benzene. But if we add a halogen atom, then its reaction is 70 times lesser than as compared to the benzene molecule. And if a nitro group, which is a strong electron withdrawing group, deactivate the ring, then the rate of reaction is much slower, 10 to the power minus 8 times much slower as compared to benzene molecule. So here are some practice questions. You have to draw the structure, the products of the chlorination of simple benzene molecule, and then edit the nitric acid and sulfuric acid nitration and draw the product. And also mention that whether this reaction will be faster or this reaction will be faster. Similarly, first do the nitration of benzene, draw the product of nitrated benzene, and then edit bromine electrophile and draw the product of bromination of nitrobenzene. Similarly, draw product for this substituted benzene, which is an electron donating capacity. And also this is an electron withdrawing group on benzene molecule. So draw if they need a catalyst, this one and this one, then put the catalyst as well as the product of this molecule. Here are some reference books for further reading. Thank you.